Shama Maher here, CEO of Scaling Retail, and this week on Retailing Weekly, we turn our attention to The Lobby, the latest San Francisco tech startup to disrupt marketing and distribution as we think about shipping goods to offices. That's right, guys. The Lobby is pioneering a new initiative to be able to ship products via couriers to different company lobbies and offices to get products in the hands of consumers in a way that's easy, hassle-free, curated, and has a really strong editorial point of view. So launching with its first company partnership at Pinterest, the Lobby would send products to the office that were ordered by people online, sometimes with treats, sometimes with other things, and they would also provide a 7-day return policy. In essence, the Lobby is becoming the more concierge-style broker in between consumers and offices and a very curated, selected few brands. Now, what's fascinating about this is that the Lobby is not trying to be a retail platform in the traditional sense, right? They're not trying to own a corner of the market in order to distribute professional or workwear clothes. What they're actually offering here is an opportunity to curate and edit. So how they're doing the financials on the back end, whether that's drop shipment or if they're actually going in and doing inventory buys, they're providing the curation and editorialized selection as well as the shipping and logistics aspect of it in a very curated and high-touch luxury way. So, for example, what happened at Pinterest? Well, the people who were ordering at Pinterest, they started to have their own Slack channel, and they started calling it the 4:30 Club. So at 4:30, they'd get together, open up their boxes, see what they got, try things on, and guess what? The Lobby would be able to receive their returns within 7 days. A courier would come by and help to facilitate the entire process very seamlessly. So what's so cool about this from a brand standpoint? Well, obviously it's clear from consumers that they're going to be able to get this great high-touch luxury experience. But when it comes to what this offers for brands, the opportunity is tremendous. Number one, this is a white glove service. So being able to take your brand and get into the hands of people working at companies that you think are really an ideal target market fit, or even if you think your brand or your products are going to be a good fit for that corporate environment, this is a great way to get really right in front of that target customer, offering a very high-end luxury experience with the shipping and logistics aspects of that. Now, when it comes to other kinds of brands that they're looking to bring on board, right now they're looking to expand their curated assortment, turning to brands like Kuyana, Greats, etc., in order to find those great fits with price point, assortment for that existing customer. So the end-to-end process is quite simple. Customers go online, they shop, and then the products get sent to the office, and then the customers can also return their products directly from the office. So guys, when we think about the viability of a marketplace like this, you might ask yourself, well, how is this really disruptive, or how is this really changing the game? Well, investors are actually looking at this as not just a retail platform, but again, a way to disrupt marketing channels. They just recently got a round of funding up to, I think it was 3.75 million, guys. So really a nice chunk of change in order to help expand and grow these networks. So what are the things we should be conscientious of? Well, number one, a concept like this that's very regional obviously has a tremendous opportunity to be replicated and duplicated by competitors. So as they look to kind of scale up operations, I wouldn't be shocked to start to see other companies in the New York market, even in other tiered markets such as Miami or Austin or Seattle even, start to look at different ways of adopting this, right? Similar to when we think about food product lines that are being shipped to consumers, right? Easy to replicate those things in smaller markets unless you can really dominate and own the market from the beginning with a strong distribution strategy of your service. So easily replicable depending on which markets we're looking at. The other thing is access to brands. So it's unclear at this point kind of what the distribution and margin side is for a company like this. Is it drop shipment? Are they, ordering the products? What kind of access to inventory, access to assortment, and editing? So aside from like a great kind of chief merchandiser, you're also going to be looking at a very honed in and kind of specific relationships with shipping and logistics, right? So someone's really going to have to come in and be that scalable provider on the ground for logistics as they try to scale this up. But it's very exciting. It's exciting to see strong female-led VCs and founders and investors get behind this company. It's also exciting to see a new platform and model that's really banking on a high-end luxury experience. Oftentimes we're finding that, luxury brands tend to have a difficult time when it comes to penetrating the market, but kind of coming at this from a luxury customer service standpoint, I think it's really awesome and really innovative. So we'll stay tuned. We'll see what happens. But I'm very excited to see what the Lobby ends up turning into, what pieces of the business model end up being able to be scaled up, and then certainly what brands end up jumping on board. All right, guys, that's all for me. Make sure you leave comments below. Would love to hear how your thoughts are about this new kind of marketing and distribution channel. Perhaps it's something you're looking into. And also, if you're ready to scale up your business, get a second set of eyes, and really blow up your marketing and advertising and brand positioning, send us an email at hello@scalingretail.com. We'd love to help you scale, grow, and have a successful business. Talk to you guys later. Bye.